Okay, well, okay. Okay, today I'm say hi by like good morning by Korean language. Okay, today I would like to come is the represent about the thing I'm doing. I feeling like I very love the job because beginning I start do it. It's very like it's the hard. It's the I met many obstacle and then like many problem. Now I'm just change a little my mindset. It's the make a very love the job and very proud because the thing I'm do is the happiness for the people, for the elephants. Is the and then after people came here is they are like I saw they smile. Is they hiking with the elephant. Is elephant healthy and then make they are happy. Is make I'm happy too because that thing is is the thing I very like it in because when I saw people smile happiness make I'm happy too. Is the make I'm forgot anything. Yes, okay, and then you guys can see and then I would like this video is to represent what I'm doing. You will see later because we have one is the one family. Her came with her son and the beginning they are is a bit scared about elephant. They don't know how to like the friend or approach to elephant is some stuff like that. After I give the information, let they hang out with the elephant. They are so happy. They love it. They connect with the elephant. It's the made me so happy. It's the okay. Let's see. Thank you. Yes. Real life.
Done.
All right. Okay. Ready? Okay. Go. Go with me and then like you bring some banana for elephant.
Okay.
It's nice. So heavy. Okay. Yay! Bye.
Fun guy.
Yay! Yay! Hey! Mama. See. Elephant don't like dog.
This one.
Yes.
You have this here?
Hi. Bone. You say bone. Bone. Hey, you see? Okay.
I don't have anything.
Xiang. Like this when they make a noise, when they do you feed them and then you just xiang meaning sound. And then feeding and make they learn about when you say sound they're gonna again.
Ah.
Xiang You see?
Ooh.
Okay, we walk.
Hey, here's a banana.
We
Need to save some for the other one.
Okay, go. Okay, đi đâu mà?
That one. Okay.
Let's pick. Here, come here. Hello, come here.
Got to go.
Hey, you see, she will follow your banana. Come on.
Come on.
Hey, come on.
Come on. Oh, cheeky guy.
You got. Hey.
Come on. Want the banana?
Okay, đó lên kìa. Nè, thế này. This one. Big one. Đi ha. Okay. Hey, come here. Come here. Yeah.
You just go under him.
Yeah.
Here, I gave him a banana.
Here, you the one. And you pick one.
Morning, baby.
Lên hai. feed her. Lagi pun. Sarah coming.
Too many. Too many. They don't have anything. Get out! Get out before the next one they devour.
The big one is to come.
No!
Let me check. All of them, they would like to come and drink. Let them check you. Let them check. Let them check. You see, when did he have anything? They're gonna walk away.
They want to check to see if you have anything.
Yes, they check you. Okay. Okay. Lady, come down. Shh. You have it. Mama. Oh, Papa. Don't lie. Check on.
The dog doesn't like it.
She just lied off too. Hello. Mình thay trước. Khado lại. Thế mà. Kệ. Này thôi lên thôi. She don't like dog. Khado hơi lệch. Kiss her face, kissing. Okay, Mama. Okay, cuddle. You say, you say, She need cuddle, you know, when she gets, She check your hand. Help her. You see, when she would like to eat this one, help her. You have to help and feed her. Right. Make her will become your friend more. Okay, feed her. Feed more. Yeah. Right. If you would like to connect with every animal, it's the thing you can like. It's the feed their food. You know, only food. Good. One more. Got it. Got it. Sarah, your head like this. Yes. Oh, Sarah, so cute. Why you so cute? Her getting bigger. Her just 3 years. You 9 years. She's scared now. Sarah. Okay, Sarah. Cuddle. Cuddle. Đi, Papa đấy. Một. Nó bị scared. She just want me hug her, like.
They walk on you.
I love you too. Brian, it's the Thailand. We believe elephant is the god animal. Yes. Before they are human, and they got God blend them become like elephant. เฮ้ย she's come. Yeah, this one. Yeah. When you like, because when the something little around there, they gonna get scared more, you know. When you like, bye, you can walk cross. You see, slowly, you see, and then like when you do quick, they're gonna excited, you know, and then like calm and you have to pet it first, you know. Before like.
Yeah. So they know you're there.
Oh, he shaded it. And then like, you see, when you walk like this, follow me. Slowly, don't be quick. See? You see? When you do quick, this so like, people don't know it's the elephant normally, they cautious and sensitive already. When you do quick, you know, it's like, by like instinct.
Yeah, they're protecting.
Okay.